As you start your trading journey, it's important to realize that there are many different ways to trade. There's no one right way to do it. However, you as an individual have to realize that trading is like driving a car. There are a lot of different ways to drive a car. You can get in that left lane and just try to go as fast as you can. You can get in the right lane and just go slow and steady. You can be one of those drivers that's weaving in and out of each lane, trying to find the best lane, the fastest way there. There are a lot of ways you can drive your car, but ultimately, what's the goal? To get to your destination. So as a trader, you're going to hear many different styles of trading. It's great that we have these various styles because you might not find which one fits you until you've tried a couple. Just like trying on clothes, you have to realize that there are some types of clothes and some sizes that are going to fit you better than others. It doesn't mean that one is better than another, but they are different. So you want to understand that as I become a better trader, I need to find the style that suits me best right now. There's another interesting facet to understanding that one size doesn't fit all. Is that sometimes as our clothes change over time, our sizes change over time, that we have to realize that sometimes our very trading style itself will adapt over time. And that's a good thing too. So what you want to do is to realize the best thing I can do as I move forward as a trader is to identify the types of things that are working best right now and the things that are producing the results that I want to see. What kind of opportunities am I going to take advantage of that are going to get me to the goals that I've set?